and that's what you end up with. Very healthy chicken, carrot and cheese. Beautiful. So now we're going to make chicken, carrot and cheese roll. Very beautiful, very easy ingredients. I'll show you now. So you're going to need 2 carrots which are partially boiled. 2 carrots are partly boiled, 3 chicken breasts, cheese and a knife and a chopping board. So the first thing to do is to slice nice fine slices of the chicken. Now we're going to cut the carrots. Remember, these are half-boiled carrots, so they're not soft, but they're not hard and crunchy. The knife goes through them nice and smooth to make it nice and easy. And you're going to cut the carrot in half and then into small sections, about the width of the chicken. That's lovely. Then we're going to take our block of cheese and we're going to cut it very, very similar to the carrot. So we've got an even number of carrot sticks and cheese sticks. And it doesn't matter which cheese you use, it's up to you what preference you have, whether you like a very strong cheese or whether you like a mild cheese. Whatever your taste is, that's what you'd use. So this is the amount that we've actually cut. Cheese, carrots, lovely chicken, and if we need more then obviously we'll make more afterwards. We're going to season the chicken with a little salt and pepper. I'm just going to prepare an oven tray. So we get the oven tray ready with some oil, some vegetable oil, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get the chicken fillet and we put a piece of cheese and carrot on. We're going to tightly roll right the way up and then get a cocktail stick and slide the cocktail stick right through and then pop that into the baking tray, because this is going to go into the oven and this will bake right the way through. The cheese will melt, the carrot will cook the rest of the way, and the chicken will cook, and it tastes fabulous. Okay, so that's what you end up with. We've got 9 rolls there, which is easily enough for 3 people, and very, very tasty. So, on to the next stage. So the next stage is to preheat the oven, and you want to preheat it around about the 170. So it gets nice and warm. Okay, so now that the oven is heating up, we're going to make the sauce very quickly. We'll show you how to make it now. So we're going to have 2 teaspoons of flour. So with 2 spoons of flour, we then use nata, which is Spanish for cream, into the flour. You can actually put water, you can have mayonnaise, you can use smetana, cottage cheese basically. There's all sorts of different things that you can actually use, but here we're just going to use some cream with the flour and we're going to mix it in there nicely. And this is what you do with the second carrot. So remember, at the start we had 2 carrots. One goes into the actual chicken roll and the other one we grate. And that goes into the mix. So now you've got your flour, your cream and grated carrot. So also into the mix we're going to put some grated cheese. Again, it depends on your own taste. You can have whichever cheese you actually want, whether you want a strong cheese or a mild cheese. A little pinch of salt, a couple of pinches of salt there, and then we're going to add a couple of spices, which again, you can actually put whatever spices you want in this dish, whatever suits you. You can use garlic, anything, literally anything at all. Salt, pepper, just flavour it to what you want, and then mix all that in. So 30 minutes. Oh, it's looking good. Cheese is all melted, everything's cooked through, looking absolutely beautiful. And that's what you end up with. Very healthy chicken, carrot and cheese. Beautiful.